Alright, here's another video of the MSK-110 hydraulic crimping machine. Everything looks plumb level and square in this machine, with the exception of the handle. It feels like it's a little bit loose, in and out. I'm moving it in and out, in, out, in, out, in, out. And then it wiggles here. But it seems to unlock okay. And it seems to lock okay. But there's some play in it when it's locked back and forth. So what we'll do is we'll take this plastic bottle cap here and we'll stick it in the machine here. And we'll lock the handle, and then we'll start pumping up the handle. The bottom plate comes up, start squishing it. Okay, I keep pushing, and I feel like a click in the handle piece, kinda. And you can see the gauge doesn't increase that much. That's the maximum of the gauge. Then I'll turn the handle down, and this is what it looks like. Uh-oh, it's stuck on there. There you go.
Does it work?
That's what the handle looks like. Or not the handle, but the bottle cap that was placed in there.
Let's see, it's some manual.
All right, that's it.